Hey there, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to share YouTube video on LinkedIn. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. YouTube is a free video sharing website that makes it easy to watch online videos. You can even create and upload your own videos to share with others. Originally created in 2005, YouTube is now one of the most popular sites on the web, with visitors watching around 6 billion hours of video every month. So, to share YouTube video on LinkedIn, you simply need to go to your web browser and type youtube.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now click on the three dots under the video which you want to share. Click on Share. Click on this arrow and click on LinkedIn. Now click on Share in a Post button. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.